The Eye Disease Case Control Study, How Diet Affects Macular Degeneration. Did you know that eating more leafy greens might lower your risk for macular degeneration by as much as 80%? That's not hype. That's what one of the most surprising and powerful eye health studies ever found. In this video, we're exploring the Eye Disease Case Control Study, or EDCC, a landmark piece of research that connected diet, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, with the risk for AMD. Welcome to Eat Wise for Eyes, where we break down the science and show you how to nourish your eyes with every little bite. What is the EDCC study? The Eye Disease Case Control Study was published in 1994 by researchers at Johns Hopkins University. It compared the diets and lifestyle of over 800 people, some with age-related macular degeneration and some without. Researchers wanted to see what factors separated those with AMD from those who maintained healthy vision as they aged. They looked at smoking, supplement use, sunlight exposure, and most importantly for us, their intake of fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in carotenoids. The big finding. And here's where it gets really interesting. The study found that people who ate the highest amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful carotenoids found in leafy greens, had an 86%, that's right, 86% lower risk of developing AMD compared to those with the lowest intake of lutein and zeaxanthin. So 86% lower. That's one of the strongest links between diet and AMD risk ever reported. These nutrients appeared to be protective by concentrating in the macula, the very part of the eye that's damaged in AMD. How it works. So how exactly do lutein and zeaxanthin work? They're carotenoids, plant pigments that act as antioxidants inside your body. In the eye, they accumulate right in the macula. Their job? To act as a natural blue light filter and a shield against oxidative stress. Think of them like internal sunglasses for your retina. They soak up damaging light, neutralize free radicals, and protect the sensitive cells responsible for your central vision. The more you have stored in your macula, the stronger your defense system. Top food sources. The best way to get lutein and zeaxanthin? Through food. Here's where you will find them naturally, their natural occurring state without having to take a supplement. In kale, spinach, collard greens, broccoli, peas, corn, and even egg yolks. While they contain smaller amounts, the carotenoids in eggs are highly bioavailable thanks to the fat content, so they absorb very easily in your body. Eating a variety of these foods help build up your macular pigment, the protective layer these carotenoids form in the eye. So why does this study matter? Because it showed that dietary intake, not just supplements, plays a powerful role in macular health. And perhaps most importantly, the protective benefits were seen long before people were diagnosed with AMD. In other words, it's not just about what you take after you get AMD. It's about building eye supportive habits decades earlier using real whole foods. This study helped shift the conversation from treatment to prevention and lifestyle care. How much should you eat? So how much do you need? Most experts recommend aiming for 1 to 2 cups of leafy greens every day to maintain healthy macular pigment levels. Here's a pro tip. Eating your greens with a source of fat like olive oil, avocado, or nuts can increase absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin by up to 5 times. You can enjoy them raw in salads, steamed, sautéed, or blended into smoothies. Mixing cooked and raw greens ensures variety and better nutrient access. Small, consistent changes add up over time, and your macula will thank you. Let's close with this affirmation, a reminder that every meal is a chance to care for your health and vision. I fuel my vision with every green bite. I feed my macula with healing nutrients. I honor my eyesight through mindful eating. Subscribe and stay tuned for more macular-friendly guidance here on Eat Wise for Eyes. Your plate is powerful. Let's use it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.